Evil Friend, Part 10.
We need to make a raft now. Let's go!
Where did you get these logs?
I've been living here for 3 months. This is all my preparation to go home. Finally, our raft is ready. Let's go now, before we are eaten by the monster. Goodbye, Mystery Island. I will miss it.
Which way are we going?
We follow the direction of the sunset.
George, I'm scared.
Hang on, we will be safe. No!
No! George, help!
Huh? Kitty, you're awake?
Mom! Dad! What happened? Am I dreaming?
Actually, it's true that Kitty dreams. He's still Evil Kitty.